Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good in basketball. To excel, you must first master the fundamental skills. Focus on developing strong dribbling, accurate shooting, and precise passing. These core abilities form the bedrock of any successful player. Remember, consistent practice is key to building muscle memory and improving your overall coordination on the court. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to drills. On offense, versatility is crucial. Practice dribbling with both your left and right hands to maintain control under pressure. Work on your shooting form from various spots, including mid-range and beyond the three-point line, aiming for a consistent arc. Develop crisp, accurate passes to set up teammates for easy scores. Learning to create space for your shots and drives will make you a formidable offensive threat. Effective defense is about effort and strategy. Always maintain a low, athletic stance, ready to move quickly in any direction. Position yourself between your opponent and the basket, denying them easy access to the rim. Communicate constantly with your teammates, calling out screens and switches. After a shot, box out your opponent aggressively to secure rebounds, giving your team another possession. Beyond individual skills, teamwork and a strong mental game are paramount. Understand your specific role within the team's offensive and defensive schemes. Clear and constant communication with your teammates builds trust and improves execution. Maintain a positive attitude, learning from every mistake without dwelling on it. Developing mental toughness allows you to perform at your best, even under intense game pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.